Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? It is February the 11th. That'll make it Tuesday. Just got done with my solid 31-minute walk. Streets I did yesterday, they had huge inclines. I woke up 3 times last night. My right shin, I'm not saying I've got a shin splint, but a lot of pounding on the pavement. My left shin was fine. It was my right shin. Anyhow, I digress. I've had a few people ask me, was I in Vietnam? Did I serve in Vietnam? The answer is no. I was in the Marines. I did not serve in Vietnam. I went in, graduated from high school in 1976. What'd you say, Crypto Mentor 99? I said I graduated in high school in 1976. Joined the Marines right away. When I got to my first duty station in California, say I'm 19 at the time. Well, I would have been 19. There was a Staff Sergeant Fred Miller. I think it was Fred T. Miller, Staff Sergeant, cool guy from Kentucky. And so if I'm, say round numbers, if I'm 20, Sergeant Miller was probably 25, 26, 27. I don't think he was 30. The point is, I'm in my mid-60s. The people that would have served in Vietnam, Army, Air Force, Marines, whatever, would probably be mid-70s or older, if you're keeping score of people's ages. So yeah, I was too young. I'm old now, but yeah, I was too young back then to be sent to Vietnam. But I did know Staff Sergeant Miller and a few other people that came back from Vietnam, or we found out later that they were in Vietnam. And I don't know, they did not like to talk about it to the younger guys. Yeah, did not want to talk about it. Or if they did, they just said a few superficial things and then kind of changed the subject. But yeah, Staff Sergeant Fred T. Miller, good guy. He liked me. I liked him. I always did, above and beyond what he asked me to do. He was a good guy. And then he ended up getting transferred. And yeah, it was kind of sad to see him go. Even though he was a bit older, again, no more than 30. I was 19, 20 at the time. He really connected. Even though he was young, he really connected with the younger guys. So all that to say, yes, I was in the Marines. I was only in for 3 years. I did not see any combat. But I will say this. California, the beaches of California were never invaded on the weekends when I was there. The enemy dare not touch American soil, meaning the beaches up and down the coast of California, when Crypto Mentor 99 was there with his frisbee and beverages. I'll leave it at that. Anyhow, use your imagination. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family. And even to this day, when I see a Marine or whatever, if I know a guy's in the Marines or a lady's in the Marines, we say Semper Fi, meaning that's short for Semper Fidelis, which is always faithful. The Marines are always faithful to the core, the mission, its purpose, and the fellow Marines that we see out and about. Anyhow, now I'm going to say it. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family, and you know I love you. Semper Fi to all my Marine buddies out there. See you later. Bye-bye.